birdies are over there. The sky. Subhan'Allah. It's amazing. I'm just stretching. So, as Ricky's on you. Around. So, just to do a little body banging because I'm tired right now. So, I'm gonna bang up the little object right here. So, it makes me like push off and start walking. So it's good to bang off an immovable object, and so it just pushes you, it forces you to start walking. I'm gonna do it one more time. I feel like gets the gas out of you. Step off. So it makes me step and away. Now I'm ready to go. To leave. To go home. It's like Maghrib time. I'm not gonna drink any coffee or any water or nothing, so I gotta go. Okay, so people are out and about, walking around. I gotta go down there and turn left. Go back to 59, inshallah. Okay, I'm like kind of low gas right now, but I pray I make it. I'm gonna have to do inshallah. It's not gonna be that low. Oh my god, they have a chihuahua. Oh my god, I used to have a chihuahua he was 16 years old when he passed away. I love chihuahuas. Okay, so that's a good note. Okay, so have a blessed day and be active. Get out there, have fun, take care, and have a blessed rest of your afternoon, evening. Bye, guys. I like to see people out and about. Look, oh my god, they got their little duckies, the little chicks with them. They're ducks. Okay, so have a blessed rest of the evening. Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye.